Good morning, students. This is Chalma Reddy, Mathematics. Now, previous class we have completed up to 27 problems. Now, this is 28th question. So, this is also integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx model. Observe the question. How to do this? How to do this integration e power x square, e power x into sine square 2x. What is sine square 2x differentiation? 2 sine 2x, internal derivative cos 2x, again internal derivative 2 will come. That means this is 2 into 2 sine 2x cos 2x means we can write sine 4x. Derivative of sine square 2x is 2 sine 4x. Those value is not there. So we can add and subtract 2 sine 4x minus 2 sine 4x minus 8 cos 4x. So what I'm done here, adding and subtracted 2 sine 4x. Right. Now here observe that I think here two types of problems are there. One is e power x into sine square 2x f of x means what is f dash of x? 2 sine 4x. So this is split. This is one problem. Dx minus integration e power x. I am taken minus common. Remaining part is 2 sine 4x plus 8 cos 4x dx. Here observe that this is f of x. This is f dash of x. Here also this part is f of x. This is f dash of x. Yes or no? So these 8 right here. 2 sine 4x differentiation. 2 is same. Derivative of sine 4x cos 4x into derivative of 4x 4. Totally we are getting 8 cos 4x. Students, are you understood? Second part. Now finally, how to write the answer? That is equal to e power x into f of x. F of x means here sine square 2x minus. In second part, e power x into 2 sine 4x plus c. Now, in first two terms, take that e of x common. Remaining is sine square 2x minus 2 sine 4x plus c. Observe the question. E power x into f of x plus c, then f of x. Therefore, by comparing both, what is f of x? Sine square 2x minus 2 sine 4x. This is the answer. Observe the options. Which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Now see the 29th question. How to do this? Integration e power x into, split this, cos x divided by sin x plus 1 minus 1 by sin x plus 1 dx. For suppose this is f of x means, then what is f dash of x? Do the derivative once. Derivative of cos x divided by sin x plus 1. Apply the u by v rule. So we get sin x plus 1 whole square, numerator sin x plus 1 into derivative of cos x minus sin x minus cos x is constant. Cos x is constant. Then what is remaining? Derivative of sin x plus 1, that is cos x plus 0. Observe the numerator. What happened? Here minus sin square x minus sin x minus cos square x divided by sin x plus 1 whole square. Numerator, observe that minus sin square x minus cos square x. Take minus common. Take minus common. You will get sin square x plus cos square x value is 1 now. So we get minus 1 minus sin x. Take minus common. We get 1 plus sin x. And denominator sin x plus 1 whole square is there. So here one term is going to cancel. Remaining is minus 1 by sin x plus 1. Yes, we got here take plus, this is minus. So this part is f of x, means this is f dash of x. Now apply the formula. What is the answer? E power x into cos x divided by sin x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Which option is correct, students? First option is correct. Students, read the 30th question. The antiderivative of f of x is equal to log of log x plus log x whole power minus 2, whose graph passes through point E comma E. Point means we know that x coordinate, y coordinate, but there is no y in the question. So what we have to do? Generally we know that y is equal to f of x only. Yes or no? Now antiderivative of f of x, that meaning is integration f of x dx, that is equal to integration log of log x plus log x whole power minus 2 into dx. This is the question. Now we have to assume that log x is equal to t. Let log x is equal to t. Now what is x value? Tell me. X is equal to e power t. Now do the differentiation. Dx is equal to e power t into dt. Now those values substitute in the question. Integration log x t, that means here we get log of t plus t power minus 2 into dx. Dx means e power t dt. I think this type of model already we are done. Here onwards, e power t log t plus 1 by t square. Derivative of log t is 1 by t, but here there is no 1 by t. What we have to do? Subtract 1 by t, add 1 by t. Students, are you understood? Into dt. So overall, this term is f of t. This is f dash of t. Students, are you understood? Derivative of log t is 1 by t. Derivative of minus 1 by t, 1 by t square. Now how to write? This is e power t into log t plus c. Okay. Then what is e power t and log t? So e power t means x, logarithm of log t plus c. Logarithm of log x, sorry, this is not t, x. Next, how to do this? Here, right, left hand side, integration f of x dx is there. Integration f of x dx. How to do this? Small correction. Antiderivative of f of x they are asking. I think here no need to write integration. F of x is integration of the function. Here no need to write the integration, I think. Okay. So finally, f of x is equal to x into log x plus c. F of x means we can take y only now. X into log x plus c. Plus c. It is passing through e comma e. Now substitute y means e, x also e, logarithm of log e to the base e 1 plus c. That implies e is equal to, what is log 1 value? 0. 0 into e is 0 plus c. Finally, c value is e. Now substitute in the function, c value is e. What happened? Therefore, f of x that is equal to x log x plus e. I think this is the answer. One second. Here starting onwards, observe that we have done small mistake. F of t means log of t minus 1 by t. Minus 1 by t I am not written. That is the problem here. So here we get what? Minus log x whole power minus 1 plus c. This is a mistake. Please correct that. Minus log x whole power minus 1. Here, what will come? Here, if in place of e substituted, in place of x substituted x log e to the base e 1, I think here will come minus 1 plus here. Students, once observe that. So finally, see here calculation, some of the mistake. E into 0 minus 1 plus c. Calculate this. C value is 2e. Therefore, f of x is equal to x into log x minus log x whole power minus 1 plus c. C means 2e. This is the final answer. I think which option is correct? Third option is correct.